All parties Hurriyat conference has deplored that the huge presence of the brutal Indian troops has put the Kashmiris' life under constant state of siege for the last over 7 decades. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that over 1 million Indian troops remain deployed across the length and breadth of the occupied territory, who have turned it into a living hell. Authorities in occupied Kashmir have allotted 20 canals of land to the Maharashtra government for the construction of the Maharashtra Bhavan House in the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, the land has been provided to the Maharashtra government in Ichgam area of the Budgam district. Maharashtra Bhavan will be constructed on this land at a cost of 77 crore. In yet another case of the violence against the Kashmiris, in the Indian colleges, students from the occupied Kashmir were assaulted by the extremist Hindus at an education institute in India's Chandigarh city. According to Kashmir Media Service, the incident took place at the City Institute of Engineering located in Shahpur in Chandigarh. The assault on the Kashmiri students triggered protests at the camp. National Conference has said that the tall claims of the Modi government about peace, development and installing of new industrial setup in the occupied Kashmir continue to remain confined to the papers as the number of unemployed youth has crossed over 7 lakh in the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, NC Jammu Region President Ratanlal Gupta, interacting with the youth in Jammu, said youngsters of the occupied Kashmir were frustrated due to the policies of the BJP-led Indian government. APHC AJK chapter has strongly condemned the Hindutva Bharatiya Janata Party-led Indian government for using its dreaded agencies to impose the colonial orders, including attaching properties of the Hurriyat leaders, activists, banning of the pro-freedom political parties and terrorizing the common people. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC AJK leaders in the separate statement said that the Modi regime was using colonial era tactics to break the will of the Hurriyat leaders and innocent Kashmiris.